In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for school. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized class website that helps students find what they need quickly. First, open Google Sites and create a new site. You can get there from your Google Apps menu or by visiting the Google Sites homepage. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new site. Give your site a clear name that reflects your class or subject so it appears neatly in the header and is easy to recognize later. As you begin, don't worry about perfection. You can adjust the layout, colors, and content at any time as your course evolves. Next, choose a school or education template or start with a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Templates designed for education come with pre-built sections and consistent styling, which can save time and keep things cohesive. If you start blank, pick a simple theme and a readable font to ensure accessibility for all students. Either way, keep your design clean. White space, clear headings, and consistent formatting make a big difference in how easily students can navigate your site. Now, add pages for assignments, lessons, projects, and resources. Use the Pages panel to create each page, naming them exactly as you want them to appear in your navigation. Keep the order logical, for example, assignments and lessons near the left or top, with projects and resources following. If you teach multiple units, you can organize subpages under lessons, but aim for clarity over complexity. Short, descriptive page titles help students find information fast. With your structure ready, insert text, images, videos, and Google Drive files to build out your class content. Use text boxes for instructions, due dates, and overviews. Add images to illustrate concepts or provide visual cues that break up long blocks of text. Embed short videos from your Drive or a trusted source to reinforce key topics. Video previews inside the page help students learn at their own pace. For handouts, slides, and worksheets, insert Google Drive files so they appear directly on the page. This keeps everything in one place and updates automatically if you revise the original document. When you insert Drive files, make sure they're set so students can view them. Use headings, dividers, and sections to group related content and keep your layout consistent from page to page. That's it. With these steps, you've set up a practical, student-friendly Google site that supports your class and keeps everyone organized.